Hi guys, how are you today? How to use arc we learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the line, select, again draw the line here, select. Now go to 3-point arc, click here and here, select. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 690 and these are dimension 160. Select. Now go to 3-point arc here, this point and this point, click, select. Now give the dimension, these are 112. Okay, select. Now this line control this line tangent and this line control this line tangent. Okay, now this point and this point, this point and this point dimension 600 and this point and this point dimension 400. Select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay, fully defined. Now draw the hair line, select. Now draw the line here, select. Now draw line here, select. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 1000. Select. Now go to tangent arc, this point and this point, select. Now this point control this point vertical. Now go to again here center point arc, this point and this point, click. Okay. Now this point and this point distance dimension 1200. Okay, select. Now these are dimension 140. Select. Make your job. Now they are underdefined. Now check it. Just this point control this point Mars. Okay, now they are fully defined. Thank you all, everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can just write comment box. please subscribe my channel.